All right. It is Washaholic Wednesday, and I'm Mike Hinderleiter, the Dean of Powerwash at Powerwash University and Powerwash.com. And today my message is a little different than usual. I'm going to talk to you about the opportunities in wood restoration and an offer that I'm going to present through Powerwash University. Wood restoration has great upside potential to make great money and great profit, obviously, or I wouldn't be standing here talking to you about it. But Powerwash University has teamed up with Everett Abrams to do a training at an upcoming huge convention. The huge convention is going to be August 8th and 9th, but Everett Abrams is a very reputable and experienced individual when it comes to wood restoration. Everett's been around for a long time. I've known him for several years, and I've relied on Everett even to go back to him and get some expertise for helping me do some wood staining jobs. It's not my primary focus. I'm the guy that does a lot of truck washing and always have and always will. But years ago, this is how I met. Years, I'm talking 20 years ago at least. When I first met Everett, he was doing wood and I was doing truck washing. And it's one of the reasons why I've teamed up with Everett, because he's a straight shooter. He's going to give you great advice. He knows what he's talking about. And you don't want to miss this if you're getting any kind of decks, fences, shutters, siding that's wood that could be restored on job sites that you're providing in residential or commercial. Everett's going to be your guy, and you're going to want to take this course from him. So if you happen to be attending the huge convention coming up in August on the 8th and the 9th, we have a pre-show event that's going to be with Everett. And if you sign up before July 8th, the cost is $199. If you wait till after July 8th, it's going to $299. So I highly recommend that you take advantage of this opportunity to get signed up now. I will put a link in the title or in the comments below so you can get signed up, but take advantage of it now. And what is in the course? So let me tell you real quick what's in the course. I'm going to look away from the camera a little bit so my eyes will shift here, because it's a good list of things that'll be covered. So Everett's going to cover exterior wood restoration opportunities, standards, equipment, supplies, chemicals and products, preparing the surface for methods of restoration, coating wood surfaces, so the coatings that are on wood, sealers, stains and paints, different wood types, safety, marketing. There'll be demonstrations as well, business building tips, and profitability. So again, if you've thought or considering, or this is the first time you've heard about it, and doing wood restoration, and you're in the residential commercial work out there, and this stuff is on the job sites, or you just want to do it as a primary service, I got to encourage you strongly, get with Everett Abrams, take this course, especially if you're going to a huge convention. If you're not going to a huge convention, we have other opportunities for you. You can reach out to us. We'll talk to you about that. But primarily, this is about taking the course to a huge convention. The links will be there. Do it before July 8th. If you don't want to pay an extra $100 to take the course, it's $199. It's going to go up to $299 on July 8th. This is Mike Hinderleiter. I'm the Dean of Powerwash at Powerwash University and Powerwash.com. Have a successful week and have fun this week. We'll see you next time. Take care.